Hi, Chris here from MoneyCoach, and today we're gonna learn how we can change the app language. To do that, it's very easy. Just go to the settings and find the app. In this case, I'm using a development version of MoneyCoach, but it's the same for the store version. Tap it, and inside you should see this section. Now, if you don't see the language section, that's an easy fix. Just go back to the settings tab and then go to the general under the language and region and add a new language for your iPhone. In this case, I'm gonna add Italian. Now, if you go back to the MoneyCoach tab in the settings, you should see a new language section. Here, you can change the app to one of the supported languages that we do offer in MoneyCoach. For example, let's make it in German. Now, if you switch to the app, you see that the app will switch to German. If you want it in another language, you can select, well, another language. For example, let's make it in Portuguese. Once again, go back to the app, and the app is in Portuguese. You can do this for all of the available languages that we offer support in the app. It's that easy. As always, thanks for watching, consider subscribing and leave a comment down below. Have a nice one.